Hi guys, probably this is part 4. Sorry. Almost done. But I told you that I'm going to be mixing some random thing. Ooh. So you'll be like, where is it? So, it's kinetic sand slime. I thought I was rolling, but I wasn't. So, you're lucky I remembered about you. Okay. So, this is my slime. Let me hear y'all hear that. Okay. That's my slime. And here's my kinetic slime sand. I'm not sure if I was filming the part where I said that and all that. So I just want to make sure. Here it is. Here I go. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so awesome.